Are you searching for best platform to grow your career in IT? Do you want to build a successful future in high demand skills like AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, and AI? Welcome to SR Technologies. My name is Pinchal Prasad. I have 23 years of IT experience. SR Technologies is one of the best platforms to learn modern IT skills and transform your career. SR Technologies, we believe anyone can achieve success with the right guidance, practical training, and continuous support. We provide expert training in AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, AI technologies, Python, and more. Why do students choose SR Technologies? We provide 24/7 support for every student, step-by-step guidance from basic to advanced, clear roadmap to get IT jobs faster, real-time project training, resume building support, interview preparation and mock interviews, affordable course fees, friendly trainers with industry experience, and we support until you get a job. We don't just teach theory. We train you with practical skills that companies expect in real-time jobs. Whether you are a fresher, man-IT candidate, working professional, or career switcher, SR Technologies help you move in the right direction. Your dream IT job is possible with the right mentor and the right platform. Join SR Technologies today. Enroll through our website now. Start your journey with the cloud, DevOps, and AI. SR Technologies. Learn today, lead tomorrow.